What's up, travel warriors? It's your chaos coordinator, Gates, here to save you from becoming that person at baggage claim crying over a cracked laptop. Look, we've all been there, staring down the barrel of a week-long trip with enough clothes to clothe a small nation. The struggle is real, my friends. But fear not, because by the end of this video, you'll be a luggage ninja, dodging baggage fees and packing like a pro. No more zipper-popping meltdowns, no more lost socks, just pure, unadulterated travel zen. First things first, let's talk materials. Hard shells, right? They're like the Fort Knox of luggage. Tough, rugged, built to withstand the apocalypse, or at least a herd of stampeding toddlers in the airport terminal. You know what I'm talking about. Those tiny humans with more energy than a rocket launch. And speaking of explosions, let's talk about what happens when your precious cargo takes a tumble. Hardshell suitcase? It's gonna bounce. It might even leave a dent in the wall. But your stuff inside? Safe and sound, my friend. It's like a suit of armor for your skiddies. Now, soft shell luggage. Think of it like a big comfy burrito. You can stuff it full of all sorts of goodies, and it'll just expand to accommodate your every whim. Need to squeeze in one more pair of shoes? No problem. Just sit on it, zip it up, and you're good to go. But, and this is a big but, soft shell luggage is about as protective as a wet paper bag in a hurricane. One wrong move, one overzealous baggage handler, and your carefully curated wardrobe could be transformed into a tangled mess of wrinkles and despair. So, how do you choose? Well, it all comes down to your travel style and what you're packing. Are you a minimalist who travels light? Or do you pack for every possible scenario, including a zombie apocalypse? Be honest with yourself, people. If you're rocking the hard shell, you're basically saying, I'm here to conquer the world, one perfectly packed suitcase at a time. It's a statement piece, a symbol of your commitment to organization and efficiency. And hey, if you can use it as a makeshift table on the go, bonus points. But if you're all about that soft shell life, you're embracing the chaos. You're saying, I'm here for the adventure. And if my luggage gets a little beat up along the way, so be it. You're a free spirit, a wanderer, a master of the art of cramming. No judgment here, my friend. We all have our strengths. But trust me, when it comes to protecting your precious cargo, the right luggage can make all the difference. All right, luggage lovers, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the features. Because let's be real, a suitcase is more than just a vessel for your dirty laundry. It's an extension of your personality, a reflection of your hopes and dreams, or at least your ability to pack efficiently. First up, we've got the hard shell heavy hitters. These bad boys are like the Tony Stark of luggage, sleek, stylish, and built with more tech than a spaceship. We're talking polycarbonate shells that can withstand the force of 1,000 suns, or at least a few bumps in the overhead bin. And don't even get me started on those wheels. Spinner wheels, baby. They glide through airports like a hot knife through butter. You could be running late for your flight, dodging screaming children and spilled lattes, and your hardshell suitcase will be right there with you, effortlessly gliding along like it's on a mission from God. But hold up, don't go crowning hard shells as the ultimate travel companion just yet, because soft shell luggage is about to drop some serious knowledge on you. Remember that whole stretchy pants analogy? Yeah, well, it applies to the features too. Soft shell suitcases are like the Mary Poppins bag of luggage. You can never have too many pockets. Seriously, these things have more compartments than a kangaroo pouch. You've got your main compartment, obviously, but then you've got zippered pockets on the outside, mesh pockets on the inside, secret compartments where you can hide your snacks. It's like a treasure hunt every time you open your suitcase. And speaking of snacks, let's talk about packing cubes. These little lifesavers are a game changer for any traveler, but they work especially well with soft shell luggage. You can organize your clothes, your shoes, your toiletries. Everything has its place. No more digging through a bottomless pit of clothes just to find your toothbrush. But here's the catch. All those pockets and compartments come at a price. Soft shell luggage can be a bit, well, floppy. You know what I mean? It's like trying to wrangle a giant marshmallow. And those wheels, let's just say they're not exactly built for speed. So what's the verdict? Well, if you're all about that organized life, if you believe that everything has its place and there's a place for everything, then hardshell luggage is your jam. But if you're more of a free spirit, if you like to be prepared for anything, and I mean anything, then soft shell luggage is your ride or die. All right, my travel companions, it's time to make a decision. Hardshell or soft shell? The ultimate travel showdown is upon us, and only one type of luggage can reign supreme. But fear not, intrepid explorers, because I'm here to guide you through this perilous journey of luggage selection. Let's start with the overpackers. You know who you are. You pack for every possible scenario, from a blizzard to a beach bonfire, even if you're going to freaking Vegas in July. For you, my friend, the softshell suitcase is your spirit animal. It's like those stretchy pants you love so much, always there to accommodate your every whim, no matter how much you stuff in it. Softshell luggage is all about flexibility and forgiveness. Need to cram in one more pair of shoes? No problem. Just sit on it, zip it up, and you're good to go. And don't even get me started on the pockets. Soft shell suitcases have more compartments than a Swiss Army knife, which is perfect for your unique organizational style. Now, for my minimalist mavens, the hard shell warriors who travel light and move fast, listen up. You guys are all about efficiency and simplicity. You pack light, you move fast, and you don't have time for luggage that slows you down. For you, the hard shell suitcase is your trusty steed. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's built to withstand anything the airlines can throw at it. Plus, those spinner wheels, they're like having your own personal chauffeur, effortlessly gliding through airports like they own the place. But here's the thing, my friends. Choosing the right luggage is only half the battle. The real key to travel success is packing smart. And that's where I come in. Over the years, I've traveled to every corner of the globe, and I've learned a thing or two about packing a suitcase. And trust me, it's not about cramming in as much as you can. It's about packing what you need and packing it well. So, whether you're a hard shell hero or a soft shell superstar, remember these words of wisdom. Roll your clothes, don't fold them. Pack versatile items that can be dressed up or down. And for the love of all that is holy, invest in some packing cubes. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what kind of luggage you use, as long as you arrive at your destination with your sanity intact, and maybe a few souvenirs along the way. So, hard shell equals indestructible snack guardian. Soft shell equals overpacker's BFF. Choose wisely or suffer the zipper apocalypse. Listen, at the end of the day, the best luggage is the luggage that works for you. So, experiment, try different styles, and find what fits your travel personality. Because travel isn't about the stuff you bring with you. It's about the memories you make, the experiences you have, and the people you meet along the way. Subscribe for more life-saving chaos. Hit the bell, tag a friend who packs like they're fleeing Mars, and remember, travel doesn't have to be a hot mess express. unless you're into that.